Good evening, teacher and classmates. My name is Sonia Silva. Nice to meet you. I am a student of business administration in UNAT, and I am 35 years old. I work in an APS. I am an administrator coordinator. I live in Bogota. I am an intelligent woman, worker, fighter, passionate about of life, and full of energy to learn. I am married. My husband's name is Juan Sebastián Angarita, and I have 2 children. My son's name is Esteban. He is 10 years old, and my daughter's name is Karen. She is 20 years old. Now, for the homework, I will present my children's room. Okay, this is Esteban's bedroom, and this is Karen's bedroom. Esteban's bedroom is bigger than Karen's bedroom in size, but Esteban's bedroom is cleaner than Karen's bedroom always. Okay, the Karen's bed is bigger than Esteban's bed. But Esteban's bed have more blanket than Karen's bed, for he has a very shield. Okay, Esteban is more than Karen, so he has more. So he has more books in his library. She isn't library in her room. Okay, Esteban is cleaner than Karen, and Esteban's bedroom always is more organized than Karen's bedroom. Okay, thank you.